Hi guys, welcome to Computer Techniques Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to retrieve your password through your Google account to your mobile phone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to settings. You go to settings, click on it, and then scroll down to locate Google. You click on Google. Now from there, you click on manage your Google accounts. Click on this. Now you have this interface. We have personal information, we have data and privacy. Scroll there, click on security. Now from here, you scroll down till you see your saved passwords. So you have the password manager here. So it will tell you exactly the number of passwords you've saved so far. Here I have 11 password saves. So all you need to do is to click on this particular manager. From there, it shows you all the accounts which you have the password saved on your phone. Now click on any of this. I'm clicking on this. Now it shows you the account information. Alright, now when you click on this eye icon, it reveals to you the password. You can simply copy and paste it wherever you want it to be. So if this tips helps, please kindly give us like, comments, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks, until next time. Bye for now.